DeWalt planer has been tripping the overload breaker a lot recently. When I came out over the weekend to use it and flip the switch, I saw a bright flash around the power switch and then nothing. Let's check it out. A burned up switch seems to be the problem. I ordered a new switch, breaker, and new motor brushes while I was at it. I finished removing the broken switch and breaker and repaired the burned up terminals before replacing. While I was at it, I replaced the motor brushes off camera. Okay, cross your fingers, let's see if this works.